Welcome to Prizm Hobby 3168. Let's do this thing. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. Team on top at the end will go to the person spot 1. Team on the bottom will go to the person spot 30. It's pretty simple. Here we go. Just confirming all 30 spots are in. Yep, 5 times. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top team is the Golden State Warriors. The bottom team is the New Orleans Pelicans. That's 5 times. Let's do this. Let's go. I actually don't know. I saw we had one lying around. I just chucked it in punters, so it could be. That's right. Here come the man in black. Purple, Josh Hart. That is number 299. And a, for the Sacramento Kings, sensational signatures of Robert Woodard. Yeah, it is. Rubio, Tyrell Turry, backup Turry, and Christian Wood. Come on. We haven't had anything real short print for a while. Red, Jaylen Brown. That is number 299. Fireworks, Jason Tatum. 3186 only has 4 spots left, guys. Get yourself involved. Xavier Tillman, senior. Hill. Red Wave, Bruce Brown. Hyper, Marcus Smart. Downtown, AD. I mean, we've had a lot of mojos. That's a lie. Josh Green, but I want more, Tammy. And Patrick Williams. I want gold. I want a 1-1. It hasn't happened yet. From this year's Prizm. Red Wave of T-Bry. Hyper Ursan Ilyasova. Damian Lillard Fireworks. Peyton Pritchard. Fred Van Yeet. And Keeler Lewis Jr. Teenage Wasteland. Caruso. Not a good spot. Silver Mo Bamba and the silver Kawhi Leonard. That's nice. That's very nice. Fireworks BI. Ibaka Bridges. Tyrese Halliburton's nice. And Jabari Parker. It's a bunch of time. Dennis Schroeder. Silver. Fearless Silver. Larry Bird. James Harden Prizm Throwback. Fultzy, RJ in the Hamptons, Kyle Kuzma, and Tobias. It was an emergency. Oh, yes. Orange Wave is always nice. You love to see it. Silver for the Timberwolves, Jaden McDaniels. Do we have rookie? It doesn't look like it. Just confirming, but it is Laurie Markkinen. Geez, a tale of Tabby's PCs there. 31/60, Laurie. Yeah. Fireworks of Jokic. Onyeka Okongwu, Sadiq Bey, and RJ Barrett. Oh, Anthony Edwards on the back. Good. You love to see it. Silver, bowling like Jabari Parker. Hyper, Onyeka Okongwu. Kawhi Leonard throwback. Jeez, this had a lot of throwbacks. Jaden McDaniels, Jalen Smith, Anthony Edwards. Nice. See anything nice on TikTok lately? Red Wave, Nesmith. Purple Cracked Ice for the Magic of Vucevic. Widescreen, Giannis. Isaac Okoro. Jeez, people are just nailing this TikTok marketing. Tyrese Maxey, D-Book. Foxy, Brooksy, Bogdanovich, Eric Gordon, Marcus Morris, Norman Powell. Red Wave, Jam Murray. Purple Cracked Ice of Darius Garland. That's number 175. Fearless of Bird. Fournier, Nowara, and Bradley Beal. Oh, geez, that fell off the task. Gobert. Silver, Delhi. Hyper, Joel Embiid. Fearless of Tim Duncan. Elijah Hughes is upside down. Clark, Cassius Stanley, and Joe Ingles. Final pack from Prizm Hobby 3168. Gives us, come on, something nice, something low numbered. Big old 101 ski, please. Silver, Montrez. Hyper, Steven Adams. Downtown Tatum, Malachi Flynn, Layman, the weird Rodney Hood card, and Saban Lee. And that is that for Prizm Hobby 316.